Turbeville. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a tornado warning for East Central Orangeburg County in central South Carolina until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located 7 miles northeast of Holly Hill, or 17 miles northeast of Indian Field, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Orangeburg County, including the following locations: Rocks Pond Campground and Marina, Blount's Landing, Utah Springs, and Utahville. Being in a vehicle during a tornado is not safe. Drive to the closest sturdy building and move to an interior room or closet on the lowest floor. As a last resort, abandon your car and seek shelter in a ditch or low-lying area away from trees. Do not seek shelter under highway overpasses. Immediately move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.